Hello guys, I just want to share something I would have paid to see yesterday. Before I wasted hours in trying out different Python packages and tutorials. And I'm gonna tell you, I haven't seen so many errors in trying to accomplish a single task in Python. Today I'm going to show you how to connect to any hosted MySQL server from Python. I thought this is going to be a 5-minute task and it turned out to be a day-long frustration because tutorials mostly explained how to connect to an SQL server hosted on the same machine, and what I wanted to do is connect to my SQL server hosted on my Bluehost shared hosting. So I promised myself that if I succeeded, I will pause this tutorial and save people time and effort. Enough jibber jabber, let's get to the solution. The simplest solution to the problem is just to use pymysql. To do this, you need to accomplish 3 simple steps. First, install the package. You can use pip using pip install pymysql, or if you use Anaconda like me, you can just use conda install pymysql. Second, you need to import the package using import pymysql. The third and final step to do the connection is just to write out the simple line displayed on your screen and change the host, DB name, username, and password with your database information. And the fourth step is just to enjoy. If everything runs without you having any errors, that means that now you can query your database with whatever SQL query you want. It is worth mentioning that you can also do this using MySQL connector, but you have to configure the SSH link and it is just not worth the hassle. Also, I just wanted to mention that I'm using Python 3.7 and this tutorial should work for any Python 3 version, but if something goes wrong, feel free to mention it in the comments and we'll try to resolve your issue. I hope this was useful, and if you have any suggestions you can put them in the comments. If you liked the video you can like it, if you didn't like it you can dislike it, and have a nice day.